Hello everyone. Who has never had a headache here? No one, right? But who hasn't consulted a doctor for that? Probably many haven't. Well, there's nothing wrong in it. Because headache is so common that most of the time it doesn't require any clinical attention. But is it so all the time? Probably not. So, today this brain surgeon will talk few points about headache which require little more attention than just popping in an over-the-counter painkiller tablet. Headache is something which troubles all. Child, adult, elderly, men, women, everyone. All have been troubled by this headache at some or the other time in their life. Usually, headache is a benign symptom with no underlying alarming illness, but it can also be a warning sign of something serious inside. Some of the common causes of headache are tension headache, cluster headache, migraine, and the headache because of refractory errors of the eye or sinusitis. Now these things usually require very minimal treatment, but if they are severe and affecting your quality of life, then they require a long-term specialist care. The following are the points which, if are noted with headache, require medical attention. Chronic headache lasting more than a month in any age group. Now this needs to be evaluated by a doctor. While this could still be a benign pathology requiring nothing more than a painkiller during an attack of headache, but it's better to rule out any other underlying pathology. New onset headache in an elderly or a change in the characteristic of headache in an elderly. Now, if an elderly person who has never had a headache starts getting frequent episodes of headache, or it starts getting associated with vomiting, now this could mean there is something inside which needs to be evaluated. Headache associated with vomiting. While vomiting is a common accompaniment in case of migraine headache, but it requires evaluation to rule out some major pathology like a mass lesion in the brain. Sudden severe headache, typically called as worst headache of my life, is a classical feature of what is called as subarachnoid hemorrhage. This simply means bleeding inside your head because of rupture of the blood vessels. Now this may or may not be associated with loss of consciousness or seizures, that is fits. Headache associated with the neurological findings like decreased sensorium, that is loss of consciousness, fits or seizures, weakness of the limbs, difficulty in speech, decreased vision. All these things are pointing towards some pathology in the brain, so definitely require evaluation. Headache associated with blurring of vision. This most of the time is because of refractory error in the eye and definitely requires evaluation by an ophthalmologist. And if found, then they will advise you suitably whether to wear specs or whatever it is. But it could also be because of some other pathology like a mass lesion in the brain. Headache that is associated with symptoms of upper respiratory tract illness like cold, fever, nasal blockade, frequent sneezing. All these may point towards a sinus infection and require evaluation by an ENT surgeon. Headache that wakes you up from sleep. It could be because it's very severe, or it could be an early morning headache. Both require evaluation. Headache in those patients who are already suffering from some other systemic illness like a cardiac disease or cancer of some other body part. So these patients definitely require evaluation for their headache. So these were few of the points about headache which you should be aware of. I hope you liked the video. If so, please press the like button, share this video among your friends and family, and subscribe this channel for more health and wellness related videos. Thank you.